Hello, everyone. My name is Saeed Al Jarrah, and I am a safety director here at Clune Construction. Welcome to Safety 201. I will be your instructor for this course. At Clune Construction, safety isn't just a priority, it's a core value embedded in everything we do. This training is designed to ensure that every Clune employee understands the importance of safety and is equipped with the tools and knowledge to keep themselves and others safe on the job. Clune's safety culture is built on shared accountability, proactive planning, and clear communication. It's not about compliance alone, it's about fostering a workplace where safety is second nature. This training is specifically tailored for a wide range of operations roles within project teams, including project executives, managers, superintendents, laborers, and carpenters. It also applies to other positions that may be assigned to support safety and operations on our projects. Each role carries unique responsibilities, but they all share the same commitment: ensuring that everyone returns home safely every day. At Clune Construction, our work is guided by the Clune Way, built on values that define who we are and how we work. These values include safety, service, teamwork, respect, excellence, leadership, and innovation. Safety is a top value at Clune. It's the foundation of everything we do. It starts with wearing PPE on every project site and ensuring everyone, clients, trade partners, and business partners, does the same. We plan ahead, ensuring the right equipment, tools, processes, and materials are in place to execute the work safely and effectively. If we see unsafe work or conditions, we stop it immediately, because speaking up saves lives. Reporting incidents and near misses is essential. It's not about blame, it's about protecting each other and improving together. At Clune, safety isn't just a value, it's how we care for each other and ensure everyone goes home safe every day. At Clune Construction, All Eyes Up reflects our unwavering commitment to safety and its role in delivering exceptional value to our customers. Safety isn't just a priority, it's integrated into every level of our operations. In the Clune Way structure, safety stands at the core, serving as a vital link between foundational support functions and customer-facing teams. Along with IT and operational risk management, safety ensures that the tools, resources, and oversight needed for a safe work environment are always in place. This approach empowers our project teams, service teams, and business development teams to focus on what matters most: exceeding customer expectations while maintaining the highest safety standards on every job site. By embedding safety into every phase of a project, we deliver results that align with our clients' goals while protecting the well-being of our teams and partners. Through All Eyes Up, we demonstrate that safety and customer satisfaction go hand in hand. Together, we ensure every project is a success for our clients, our workers, and our company. Up next, we're proud to share a message from our Vice President of Safety. This message underscores our unwavering dedication to safety on every Clune project. It serves as a powerful reminder that safeguarding our people and fostering safe environments is at the heart of everything we do.
Hi, Mike Thiemanson, Vice President of Safety for Clune Construction, up here on a roof. Beautiful day out. Really what I want to talk to you about is our entire safety program that we have here at Clune, how we have a national presence, but we still want to keep it close and regionally mixed. Our safety program was built about 8 years ago, and it's been ever evolving, moving forward, doing things differently, making sure that we're keeping up with construction industry. So about that national program, one of the things is we have a whole spectrum of safety programs, safety guidelines, forms that we do nationally, but we do want to focus in on many of the different areas that we work in. In New York, we have the DOB, Department of Buildings, that we really need to work closely with. In Virginia and Maryland, we have state OSHA programs that we need to make sure that we hit those goals as well as California and Arizona, where our other offices are that have state programs as well. Otherwise, we deal with the national OSHA program. Clune has our values and behaviors. Recently, we just added safety to the top of the list of Clune values and behaviors. And one of the things that we have focused in on was PPE. Now, people may look at it and say, PPE, that's the lowest rung of the ways to keep everyone safe. You want to engineer out the hazard, and then the last thing you want to do is wear PPE. PPE is a visual reminder of ensuring that they're following the safe work practices, they have the proper tools in place, they have everything planned out before they work. Part of that is PPE to make sure that they have everything set out to be successful and to keep themselves and others safe on the project. Clune puts a huge emphasis on high-risk activity planning. We want to make sure that we're proactive at the very beginning of the project, identify those high-risk activities, and to make sure that everyone has a plan in place and everyone understands the plan as we go through the project. First thing we want to do is we want to sit down with our trade partner, develop that plan at the very beginning. Then we want to continuously monitor the plan as the project progresses to make sure that we are hitting those marks, and if anything changes, we're making those accommodations, making those changes, and communicating it out to everyone. And it goes all the way through the day of the high-risk activity, where we want to bring everyone out, sit there, talk through it with them, go through the steps to make sure everyone understands what they're required to do, what the expectations are, and how we're going to perform that work safely. We do that high-risk activity planning to make sure that everyone understands their role in maintaining safe and health work practices on the job. And the biggest thing is, if we do that on a daily basis, we do it on a weekly basis, we look out ahead proactively where these things are coming through, we'll be better prepared to mitigate those hazards and keep everyone safe working on the job. So one of our biggest programs that we've rolled out this past year is our emphasis on electrical energization and how to manage that on the project. We've worked closely with commissioning agents as well as our clients to help build this program, make sure that they understand what the expectations are when they're going to work in a live electrical environment. It's important to us to make sure that everyone understands what hazards are out there, what they need to do to keep themselves safe, keep others safe while they're working in these very high-risk areas.
Now, we're excited to share a message from Clune's Chief Operating Officer. This message highlights our leadership's unwavering commitment to fostering a culture of safety and excellence, ensuring that every decision we make prioritizes the well-being of our teams and partners.
So why do we consider safety one of our primary values here at Clune? It's really one of our fundamental values that we hold near and dear because it's so important to everything that we do. It's not just a box we check saying we have a safety program and we're following safety protocols. It's something we really strive to do day in and day out with all our employees, from the guys in the field, our laborers and the superintendents on the front lines, making sure our sites are safe and well organized and well planned and run. But it's also our office staff and support staff providing the field staff the proper tools and mechanics they need to make sure the jobs are safe. And it's really our whole mentality on safety. It's not what we do, it's who we are. We want it to be something that we all live and breathe because at the end of the day, our employees are what matters most to us, and safety is paramount to them all going home every day. Another reason safety is such an important value to us is how we relate it to our subcontractors and trade partners. They're really integral to the entire safety process, and if they're not working lockstep with us, then we're not really doing the right thing by us or our clients. So we really look to partner with our trade partners as well as our clients to make sure everyone's bought in on what we're trying to do. And at the end of the day, that's to make sure everyone goes home safely in the way they came to work. And it's, again, not just a box we're checking, it's a way we live and a way we run our jobs. It's the first thing we talk about in the mornings with our trade partners, and it's the last thing we talk about as we're walking out the door to go home.
As you've heard, safety is a cornerstone of Clune's culture and a shared responsibility across all levels of our organization. Now that we have laid the foundation for what safety means at Clune, now it's time to dive into how we bring these principles to life on every project. Now let's outline the key topics ahead. We'll begin with general site conduct and emergency preparedness, covering behavior expectations, site rules, and emergency response. Next, we'll address hazard management and PPE, focusing on identifying risks and using protective equipment effectively. We'll then explore specialized safety practices, including fall protection, ladder safety, and managing environmental hazards. Finally, we'll discuss Clune's commitments to a safe workplace culture, highlighting accountability, respect, and teamwork. Let's dive into general site conduct and emergency preparedness to set the foundation for a safe and professional worksite. At Clune Construction, general safety guidelines serve as the foundation for everything we do on the job site. These principles ensure that every team member understands their role in maintaining a safe and efficient workplace. Safety is a shared responsibility, Supervisors and field staff must work together to identify hazards, enforce safety protocols, and ensure that everyone, from employees to trade partners, follows Clune's safety program. Trade partners play a critical role in our safety culture. They are expected to adhere to Clune's safety standards, submit required documentation, and actively engage in safety planning and communication. Day-to-day operations require diligence and attention to detail. Following key safety protocols like hazard assessments, personal protective equipment checks, and proper housekeeping can prevent incidents before they happen. Compliance with safety regulations is not optional. Whether you're working under OSHA, Cal-OSHA, or local standards like NYC-DOB, Clune's safety program ensures that you are always aligned with regulatory requirements. Remember, documentation is just as important as action. Properly completing reports, audits, and incident logs helps us learn, improve, and stay accountable as we move forward. These general guidelines set the stage for a safe and successful project. By working together, we can make safety a habit, not just a requirement. Personal protective equipment, or PPE, is your first line of defense against workplace hazards. At Clune Construction, proper use of PPE is non-negotiable and tailored to the specific roles and tasks on every job site. Understanding the requirements for PPE starts with knowing your role. For Clune employees, this includes a hard hat with a chin strap, safety glasses, a high-visibility top, long pants, and hard-soled work boots. Additionally, all workers are required to wear 4-inch sleeves to ensure adequate coverage. Project-specific requirements may call for additional protections. These can include gloves, cut-resistant sleeves, hearing protection, respirators, or other specialized PPE. Always verify what's required for your tasks before you begin. Proper maintenance and inspection of PPE are critical. Before starting work, ensure your equipment is clean, undamaged, and fully functional. Damaged PPE can fail when you need it most. Remember, PPE is not just about compliance, it's about protecting your life and the lives of those around you. By wearing and maintaining your PPE properly, you are actively contributing to a safer workplace. Together, we can ensure that PPE becomes second nature, making every task on-site safer and more efficient. Safety begins long before the first worker steps onto the job site. At Clune Construction, planning is a critical phase where we set the foundation for a safe and successful project. Every project starts with trade partner pre-qualification. This process ensures that we partner with teams who share our commitment to safety and have strong safety programs of their own. Evaluating safety histories, reviewing OSHA reports, and assessing past performance are key steps in identifying potential risks before work begins. It's about choosing the right partners to support our vision of zero incidents. Site setup and logistics planning are just as important. From establishing secure entry points and emergency evacuation routes to organizing laydown areas and restrooms, every detail matters when creating a safe workspace. Risk mitigation tools like job hazard analyses and detailed site plans are essential. By addressing high-risk activities in advance, we reduce the chance of incidents and create a proactive safety environment. Communication is at the heart of pre-construction safety. Ensuring that all teams, trade partners, supervisors, and workers understand the safety plan is the first step in fostering collaboration and accountability. With strong planning, we ensure that safety is not just a reactive measure, but an integral part of every project from the very beginning. At Clune Construction, every role on the job site carries unique responsibilities for ensuring safety. By understanding these roles, we create a cohesive team working together to maintain a safe environment. For project executives and project managers, safety begins in the planning phase. You are responsible for integrating safety into every aspect of the project. Utilize tools like Autodesk to track safety audits, incident reports, and daily updates. Additionally, you are responsible for conducting scope reviews prior to subcontractor award, organizing internal team kickoff meetings upon award, and ensuring trade partner kickoff meetings are scheduled and conducted upon mobilization. By proactively addressing safety during these critical phases, you establish a strong foundation for a safe and successful project. Superintendents lead safety execution on the ground. Your leadership ensures that all teams stay aligned with the site-specific safety plan. Monitor high-risk activities, enforce protocols, and address unsafe practices immediately. Laborers and carpenters are the backbone of task execution. Your role is to follow safety protocols, properly use tools and equipment, and report any hazards you observe. Remember, your actions directly contribute to the safety of your team. Trade partners play a critical role in the safety ecosystem. They are expected to actively engage in safety meetings, submit required documentation, and ensure teams adhere to Clune's safety standards on every project. Communication is the bridge that connects all roles. Whether it's reporting a hazard, addressing an unsafe behavior, or participating in a safety meeting, every voice matters in creating a safer workplace. By understanding and embracing your responsibilities, you're not just fulfilling a role, you're contributing to a culture where safety is a shared commitment. At Clune Construction, hazard identification and risk management are critical components of a proactive safety culture. By recognizing and addressing risks early, we can prevent incidents before they happen. Workplace hazards come in many forms: physical, chemical, and environmental. Identifying these hazards starts with awareness and training, ensuring every team member knows what to look for and how to respond. Job hazard analyses, or JHAs, are comprehensive evaluations conducted at the beginning of a project or before starting new tasks. These analyses provide a detailed breakdown of potential hazards for specific activities and outline mitigation strategies that guide safe operations throughout the project. Daily action plans, or DAPs, are created at the start of each shift. These plans address the specific tasks and conditions workers will face that day, ensuring dynamic hazards are identified and managed in real time. While JHAs offer a big picture view, DAPs provide the daily focus needed to keep everyone safe on site. Effective communication of hazards is key. Supervisors use both JHAs and DAPs to inform teams about risks and ensure that mitigation strategies are clearly understood. Hazard Communication Standards, or HAZCOM, further enhance this process by addressing chemical, tool, and equipment-related risks. Encouraging proactive hazard reporting is everyone's responsibility. Whether you're a laborer, superintendent, or project manager, speaking up when you see a potential hazard is an act of leadership and accountability. Supervisors play a critical role in reviewing hazards and implementing mitigation plans outlined in JHAs and DAPs. By collaborating with trade partners and field teams, they ensure that risk management strategies are effective and updated as conditions evolve. Through vigilance, communication, and teamwork, JHAs and DAPs become essential tools in our safety process, making every project safer for everyone involved. High-risk activities require heightened awareness and meticulous planning to ensure the safety of everyone on the job site. At Clune Construction, we take a proactive approach to identifying and mitigating these risks. Working at heights is one of the most common high-risk activities. Fall protection systems, including harnesses, guardrails, and safety nets, must always be used and inspected. Supervisors are responsible for ensuring that fall protection plans are in place and followed. Hot work, such as welding and cutting, introduces fire hazards. Always follow proper procedures, including fire watch requirements, and ensure that permits are issued before starting hot work. Crane operations and guardrail removal require detailed planning and coordination. Only trained personnel should perform these tasks, and all work must align with site-specific safety plans to minimize risks. Lockout/tagout procedures, or LOTO, are critical for energy control. These procedures ensure that machinery is properly shut down and isolated before any work is performed, protecting workers from hazardous energy sources. Environmental hazards, including silica exposure, heat stress, and noise, require specific mitigation measures. Use PPE, follow exposure control plans, and monitor conditions to protect yourself and your team. Supervisors play a pivotal role in managing high-risk activities. Now, from pre-task planning to real-time monitoring, their leadership ensures that safety protocols are implemented and followed at every step. By recognizing the risks associated with these activities and adhering to strict safety measures, we create a workplace where high-risk tasks are performed safely and efficiently. Safe use of tools and equipment is essential to preventing injuries on the job site. At Clune Construction, we ensure that every worker is equipped with the knowledge and skills to operate tools and equipment safely. Hand tools and power tools are common on every job site, but improper use or maintenance can lead to serious injuries. Always inspect your tools for damage or wear before use, and never use a tool that is compromised. Ladders, scaffolds, and mobile elevating work platforms, or MEWPs, require special attention. Follow proper setup and usage protocols, and always use fall protection as required. Remember, these tools are only as safe as the people using them. Heavy equipment presents significant risks if not operated correctly. Only trained and authorized personnel should operate machinery such as cranes, forklifts, and excavators. Always adhere to site-specific safety plans and stay aware of your surroundings. Supervisors play a crucial role in overseeing the safe use of tools and equipment. By enforcing protocols and conducting regular inspections, they help ensure that tools are used correctly and safely throughout the project. Proper use and maintenance of tools and equipment are about more than just following rules. They're about protecting lives. By prioritizing safety, we create a job site where everyone can work with confidence and efficiency. Emergencies can happen at any time, and being prepared can save lives. At Clune Construction, emergency preparedness and response are integral to our safety culture. Every job site must have a clear and accessible Emergency Action Plan, or EAP. This plan outlines evacuation routes, muster points, and emergency contact information, ensuring everyone knows what to do in case of an incident. Supervisory coordination during emergencies is essential. Whether it's directing evacuations, managing first aid efforts, or communicating with first responders, supervisors must act quickly and decisively to minimize risks. First aid, CPR, and AED training are life-saving skills that every supervisor and field worker should have. These trainings prepare you to respond effectively in the crucial moments before professional medical help arrives. Maintaining emergency equipment, such as fire extinguishers, first aid kits, and AEDs, is non-negotiable. Regular inspections ensure that these resources are ready to use when they're needed most. Preparedness is the key to protecting lives. By staying vigilant and following Clune's emergency procedures, we can respond quickly and effectively when it matters most. The Emergency Action Plan, or Safety Banner, is an essential safety tool for every project job site. It details key project information, emergency contacts, and crucial safety guidelines. This plan includes the nearest medical facilities, contact details for site supervisors and safety managers, and essential emergency numbers like poison control and hazardous material response. It also outlines emergency procedures such as evacuation routes, alarm signals, and assembly points. Additionally, the safety banner specifies safety practices, including daily action plan, EAP, participation in maintaining clean work areas. Adherence to this plan ensures a coordinated and safe response to any job site emergency, keeping all workers informed and prepared. Incident reporting is the critical first step in an effective emergency response. Prompt and accurate reporting not only enables supervisors and emergency personnel to assess the situation quickly, but also facilitates immediate corrective action to minimize risks and protect everyone on site. Clear and thorough documentation ensures that no detail is overlooked, laying the groundwork for improved safety practices. Post-incident reviews are a cornerstone of our continuous improvement process. By carefully analyzing the incident, identifying root causes, and evaluating contributing factors, we can implement targeted changes to prevent similar events in the future. These reviews are more than an exercise in hindsight. They are a proactive step toward building a safer workplace for everyone. Incident and hazard reporting are crucial to preventing future risks. Know the location of first aid kits and report unsafe conditions or near misses promptly. Quick reporting keeps everyone informed and allows for proactive measures to enhance site safety. If an incident occurs, provide as much detail as possible in your report, including the time, location, and any contributing factors. Near-miss reporting is just as important as reporting actual incidents. It helps identify potential hazards before they result in injury. Your commitment to reporting is key to maintaining a safe work environment for everyone. Environmental safety and health are critical components of a safe and sustainable workplace. At Clune Construction, we take a proactive approach to managing environmental hazards to protect our workers and the communities we serve. Heat and cold stress are serious risks for workers exposed to extreme temperatures. Preventive measures like hydration, rest breaks, and proper clothing are essential for maintaining health and productivity in challenging conditions. Hazardous materials handling and disposal require precision and care. Always follow protocols for storing, using, and disposing of chemicals, and ensure safety data sheets (SDS) are readily accessible for any required substances on site. Instead of collecting every individual SDS, each trade partner must provide an inventory list of all chemicals and materials they will use on our projects. This approach streamlines compliance while ensuring necessary safety information remains accessible. Dust, noise, and waste management are key to maintaining a safe and compliant work environment. Use engineering controls like ventilation, wear proper PPE, and follow waste disposal guidelines to minimize exposure and environmental impact. Silica exposure is a well-known risk in construction. Follow Clune's Silica Exposure Control Plan to reduce airborne silica dust, including using wet methods, HEPA filter vacuums, and respiratory protection when needed. Ergonomic safety is often overlooked but plays a crucial role in preventing injuries. Proper lifting techniques, task-specific adjustments, and the use of ergonomic tools can reduce the risk of musculoskeletal disorders and improve overall efficiency. Supervisors are responsible for monitoring environmental safety conditions and ensuring compliance with all regulations. By addressing environmental hazards proactively, we can create a healthier, safer, and more sustainable workplace. Environmental safety is everyone's responsibility. By staying informed and taking the right precautions, we can protect not just ourselves, but the world around us. Ergonomics is about reducing strain on the body to prevent injuries. Use proper lifting techniques to avoid back strain and set up workstations to minimize repetitive stress. Awareness of body mechanics ensures both long-term health and safety on the job site. When lifting, keep the load close to your body, bend your knees, and avoid twisting your torso. For repetitive tasks, take short breaks to stretch and change your posture. Proper ergonomics not only prevent injuries but also improve efficiency and productivity on the job. Elevated workstations and cut stations are essential for job site safety and efficiency. Proper workstations reduce strain and improve productivity, while designated cut stations keep workflows organized and safe. Together, they ensure a well-structured, productive, and safe job site. Proper office ergonomics are essential for comfort and injury prevention. Start by adjusting your chair so your feet rest flat on the floor, your knees are at a 90-degree angle, and your lower back is supported. Position your monitor at eye level, about an arm's length away, and keep your keyboard and mouse at a height that allows your arms to rest at a 90-degree angle with straight wrists. Sit upright with relaxed shoulders, and avoid leaning forward or slouching. Take breaks every 30-60 minutes to stretch or walk to prevent stiffness. Ensure adequate lighting to reduce eye strain and minimize glare by adjusting your monitor or using an anti-glare screen. Simple adjustments like these can significantly improve your comfort and productivity while reducing the risk of strain or injury. At Clune Construction, safety extends beyond job site protocols to include physical well-being. Our stretch and flex exercises are designed to prevent injuries, improve flexibility, and promote a culture of health for both field and office teams. Strains and sprains are common in both construction and office environments. For field teams, regular stretching helps mitigate risks associated with lifting, repetitive motion, and physical exertion. For office workers, prioritizing ergonomics, such as properly adjusting chairs, desks, and screens, can prevent discomfort caused by prolonged sitting or poor posture. Participation in stretch and flex is voluntary but highly encouraged. Field supervisors can incorporate sessions into morning huddles or post-break routines, while office teams can schedule brief stretching sessions or ergonomic check-ins during the day. These practices are quick, simple, and accessible to all. Beyond physical health, the program enhances team morale and engagement. It provides an opportunity to connect with coworkers, address concerns, and set a positive tone before work begins. By adopting stretch and flex and prioritizing ergonomics, we're building a safer, healthier, and more connected workplace for everyone, whether in the field or the office. At Clune Construction, safety goes beyond physical protection. It includes mental health and wellness. A healthy mind is essential for a safe and productive workplace. Recognizing mental health challenges, such as anxiety, depression, or stress, is the first step toward creating a supportive environment. Supervisors and team members must be vigilant and ready to offer assistance or resources. Working under the influence of drugs or alcohol puts everyone at risk. Clune has a zero-tolerance policy for substance abuse with clear procedures for post-incident drug testing and enforcement of consequences. Fatigue and stress can impair judgment and performance. Identify the signs, such as reduced concentration, mood changes, or physical exhaustion, and address these issues before they lead to incidents. Clune provides a range of mental health and wellness resources, from employee assistance programs to counseling services. Supervisors should promote these resources and encourage their teams to seek help when needed. Creating a culture of wellness means fostering open communication. Encourage your team to speak up about challenges they're facing and let them know that mental health is as important as physical safety. Together, we can ensure that mental health and wellness remain a priority, creating a workplace where everyone feels supported, valued, and safe. Workplace violence prevention is a critical part of Clune's safety program, designed to protect both office and field employees. It is essential to recognize and address potential threats, ensuring a safe, respectful, and secure environment for everyone, regardless of their role or location. Be alert to warning signs of potential workplace violence, such as aggressive behavior, verbal threats, or sudden changes in demeanor. These risks can arise in any setting, whether in the office or on the job site. All concerns must be taken seriously and reported immediately to your supervisor, team leader, or the HR department. For employees who wish to report incidents anonymously, the Clune Compliance Hotline is available at 1-800-659-6425. This hotline provides a confidential way to share concerns without fear of retaliation or intimidation. At Clune, fostering a safe and respectful workplace is central to our culture for all employees. Your vigilance, proactive communication, and willingness to address concerns are essential to maintaining a positive and secure environment. Clune Construction is committed to maintaining a high standard of safety and respectful conduct on all job sites. To achieve this, we have established clear disciplinary actions for noncompliance and enforce a zero-tolerance policy for harassment. To ensure adherence to safety standards, Clune follows a structured disciplinary process. First, a verbal warning serves as an initial reminder, addressing noncompliance and providing an opportunity for corrective action. Next, a written warning is issued. This formal notification documents the violation and outlines the required corrective measures. If the issue persists, a final warning may result in permanent removal from the project and potential exclusion from future Clune projects. In cases of severe noncompliance, the process may escalate immediately to stricter actions. Clune project team members are empowered to initiate these actions against trade partner employees, with all cases reported to Clune's safety department for oversight. Certain behaviors pose significant risks to workplace safety and integrity, requiring immediate and decisive action. Violations such as fighting, theft, intentional property damage, or possessing weapons, drugs, or alcohol will result in swift measures, up to and including discharge. These policies are in place to ensure safety, respect, and accountability on all job sites, reflecting Clune's unwavering commitment to a secure and professional workplace. Clune Construction is committed to fostering a workplace that is safe, inclusive, and free from harassment. Every employee is responsible for maintaining respectful behavior, which includes refraining from any inappropriate or unwanted verbal or physical advances. Instances of harassment, including unwanted advances, must be reported promptly to a supervisor. Clune is dedicated to ensuring confidentiality and conducting thorough follow-up on all complaints to address concerns effectively. Reports are handled swiftly, with appropriate support provided to those involved. At Clune, we prioritize a respectful and secure work environment for all employees. Safety management is not a one-time activity. It's a continuous process that evolves throughout the life cycle of every project. At Clune Construction, we align safety strategies with each phase to ensure consistent protection for all. Pre-award and pre-construction set the foundation for safety. During this phase, project managers conduct scope reviews, assess trade partner safety plans, and ensure all safety requirements are fully integrated into the planning process. Clune's internal team kickoff meetings, which include the project team and safety representatives, establish clear expectations and provide a platform for proactive communication. During the award and construction phase, superintendents take the lead in executing safety plans on site. This includes holding in-person kickoff meetings with all trade partner project managers and foremen, coordinating trade partner safety orientations, conducting regular safety audits, and addressing any hazards or incidents promptly. Daily action plans, DAP, and weekly safety meetings ensure teams remain informed and aligned. The closeout phase provides an opportunity to reflect and improve. Post-construction reviews, root cause analyses, and lessons learned are conducted to identify areas for future improvement. Supervisors ensure all safety documentation is finalized and prepare the project for any final reviews. Managing safety across all phases ensures that it remains a top priority from project initiation to completion. By maintaining a proactive approach, we can meet challenges head-on and uphold the highest standards of safety. Training and continuing education are the cornerstones of a strong safety culture. At Clune Construction, we ensure that every team member has access to the knowledge and resources needed to stay safe and effective on the job. New employee orientation at Clune Construction introduces employees to the company's safety culture, expectations, and the resources available to support their well-being and effectiveness. This in-person session, conducted on day one, establishes a strong foundation for safety practices and fosters a commitment to maintaining the highest safety standards from the very start. Employees are also introduced to regional safety requirements to ensure they are prepared to work safely and confidently in their assigned locations. Within the first 30 days, employees are required to complete a series of foundational safety trainings designed to reinforce core principles and introduce Clune safety systems and expectations. Safety 201 is delivered through an instructor-led video in Workday. This exact training that you are watching right now, which reinforces key safety principles and provides updates on current best practices. Employees also receive a safety handbook, or a quick guide pocketbook, to support ongoing learning and daily application in the field. Safety 202 focuses on energy management principles, emphasizing hazard recognition and control strategies related to energized systems to reduce risk and prevent serious incidents. Safety 203 introduces employees to Autodesk Construction Cloud and its role in safety documentation, reporting, and communication across projects. Safety 204 covers Clune's high-risk activities process, helping employees identify, plan for, and mitigate elevated safety risks before work begins. For employees in California, Safety 301 provides an in-depth overview of the Workplace Violence Prevention Program. This training is supported by a comprehensive WVPP plan document and ensures compliance with California-specific regulatory requirements while proactively addressing workplace violence risks. For employees working in New York City, Safety 302 covers NYC Department of Buildings Chapter 33 requirements, focusing on site safety regulations specific to NYC construction environments. Within 90 days, new employees must complete the Managing Safety and Health Training series assigned through Workday. This three-part series covers safety responsibilities throughout the full project lifecycle, including pre-construction, construction, and closeout. This training ensures employees are equipped to consistently uphold Clune safety standards across all phases of work. Weekly safety topics are a key element of Clune Construction's commitment to maintaining a proactive and informed safety culture. By delivering engaging and informative content regularly, these topics help ensure that safety remains a priority for all team members. The format is designed to cater to diverse learning preferences, featuring concise PDF materials for quick reference, detailed lessons learned from past incidents to reinforce practical knowledge, and spotlight videos that highlight specific safety scenarios or procedures in action. Additionally, AI-powered podcasts provide an innovative and accessible way for employees to stay updated on evolving safety practices, whether on-site or on the go. If you are assigned this training on Workday, as the name suggests, Completion on a weekly basis is the expectation, with at least 90% completion required by year-end per Clune's policies and procedures. This multifaceted approach not only keeps employees informed, but also fosters a deeper understanding of critical safety principles, empowering them to apply these lessons effectively in their daily tasks. Continuing education isn't just about compliance, it's about building a workforce that is confident, competent, and committed to safety every day. Certifications and compliance are vital to maintaining a safe and legally sound work environment. At Clune Construction, we empower our teams with the knowledge and credentials they need to meet industry standards. OSHA 30-hour training is a mandatory certification for all project team members. Available through clicksafety.com and in-person classes in key regions, this program ensures that everyone understands the critical regulations that govern our industry. In New York City, compliance with OSHA 30-hour requirements includes renewal every 5 years. Staying current with certifications is not just a requirement, it's a reflection of our commitment to safety excellence. To be eligible for 8 Clune training credits, OSHA 30 must be completed within the same calendar year the credit is being requested. Requests must be submitted within 60 days of completion using the L&D credit request form available on Insider, following all L&D requirements. First aid, CPR, and AED training prepares supervisors and field workers to respond effectively in emergencies. These hybrid courses combine online learning with hands-on practical sessions for comprehensive training. Supervisors play a key role in maintaining compliance. From enforcing Clune safety standards to ensuring proper documentation, their leadership ensures that all teams meet regulatory and project-specific requirements. Certifications are more than just credentials. They're a testament to our dedication to safety, professionalism, and continuous improvement. Trade partners are essential contributors to Clune Construction safety culture. Through comprehensive training programs, we ensure alignment with our safety standards and expectations. The Clune Safety Hub is a one-stop destination for trade partner safety training. Navigating the website is straightforward. Trade partners can simply select a course, enroll, and complete the training at their own pace. Each course provides clear, practical guidance on maintaining safety at every level of a Clune project. Safety 101 introduces trade partners to Clune's core safety policies, including the obligations and responsibilities they must fulfill on every project. Exhibit S provides detailed guidance to ensure compliance and understanding. Safety 102 focuses on energy management and control. Trade partners learn the importance of lockout, tagout, LOTO procedures, and other critical protocols for managing hazardous energy sources. Safety 103 equips trade partner supervisors with the tools they need to lead effectively. This program covers task planning, hazard communication, and the use of Clune-provided pocketbooks for quick reference in the field. The instructor-led trainings are available in English and Spanish to accommodate the diverse workforce on Clune projects. By investing in trade partner training, we create a collaborative and accountable environment where safety is everyone's shared responsibility. Safety 100 Site Visitor Orientation is designed for non-working visitors, providing a quick overview of Clune's essential safety policies and expectations. This course ensures visitors understand how to navigate our sites safely and responsibly. Autodesk Construction Cloud, ACC, is an essential component of Clune's safety program, streamlining safety management with powerful tools for accessing incident reports, conducting safety audits, and assigning issues in real time. The ACC platform keeps field and office teams aligned with real-time updates. Daily action plans, incident tracking, and centralized safety audits make safety documentation seamless and easily accessible. To ensure our teams are fully equipped to use Autodesk Construction Cloud, all operations employees are also required to complete training on ACC. This training will cover essential safety management functions, including how to complete safety audits, create and track issues, and fill out incident reports. The training is a series of screen recordings demonstrating how to use ACC on the web, iPad, and iPhone. These recordings will provide a step-by-step walkthrough, making it easy to follow along and apply these processes in the field. Safety is a journey, not a destination. At Clune Construction, we are committed to continuous improvement. ensuring that safety remains an integral part of everything we do. Completing Safety 201 marks a significant milestone in your safety journey. By applying the knowledge gained, you contribute to fostering a culture where every individual, trade partner, and team member collaborates to create a safe and productive environment. Our work in safety is never finished. It is an ongoing process shaped by each project and every lesson learned. Stay engaged through continuous training, weekly safety topics, and toolbox talks. Your vigilance and dedication make a difference every day. Together, we can uphold Clune's vision of a workplace where safety is a shared value, ensuring every worker returns home safely at the end of the day. Thank you for your commitment, and let's continue building success through safety. Upon completing the course, the safety team will issue you a hard hat sticker. This sticker is valid for the current calendar year and must be placed on your hard hat. Employees are required to complete this step only once per year. Completing Safety 201 on Workday will automatically earn you half L&D credit. A credit request form is not required. Thank you for committing to Clune Construction's safety guidelines. By following these practices, you protect not just yourself, but everyone on site. Let's work together to build safely and responsibly, ensuring every worker returns home safely at the end of the day. Together, we uphold Clune's vision of a safe workplace. Remember, safety is an ongoing journey that requires vigilance, communication, and a commitment to improvement. Stay informed, proactive, and prioritize safety in everything you do. Together, we can create a safe and productive work environment for all.